Welcome back to the channel. Today you join us here in the Big C, and what you're looking at is St Michael's Mount, a famous landmark yards away from this village that we're exploring today, Marazion. And let's find out what Cornish gems that we're going to find in this village today. The last place we saw a phone box was in Castle Coombe. So we've got... You know you're back in Cornwall, Colonel, because of these hills, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So this is like a community phone box. They seem to have some books in this one, viewers. There you go. Around the country we see this all the time. It's called the school box. And maybe you can borrow some books or drop some books off. But yeah, like an exchange, yeah. Absolutely. And there's a cafe, market cafe, All Saints Church, delicious home cooked food. Well, but they do pasties, me handsome. Oh, bloody pasties, it'd be lovely, me handsome. Or you can have a yoga session. £6 per hour, that ain't bad, is it? Stretch yourself out. So you can see at the country pub and see they got Friday night specials, fish and chips, £12.95. Pie and chips, tenner, that ain't bad. Burger and chips, that's my favourite, £9. And takeaway from 5 PM. So come and support the local business. And Wednesdays nights is pop night. I've heard that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but maybe on this occasion an apple a day will keep the colonel away. Who knows? I
think you need that.
What, an apple a day keeps the doctor away?
No, you might.
Yeah, you might be right, Colonel. There we go. Look.
Yeah. Come
on, subscribe. Walking in history. TJ, I know I don't sound normal, but big up, big up, big up. We're walking past the old cow shed. Move over. Tiny. Oh, I'm going to get run over by a bus. There's the local bus. There's a nice, beautiful shot of St Michael's Mount there. We've got a little memorial, Colonel. Yep. Marazion in Bloom. Voluntary group. Well, just step back a little bit for that. There we go. Marazion in Bloom voluntary group 2023 to celebrate the coronation of King Charles III.
Yep.
So there's a little tribute to King Charles.
Yep.
And here, the Marazion Town Council. It's a town, Marazion. Okay.
Yep.
No, excuse me, viewers. I have such a bad throat. In commemoration of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Platinum Jubilee. So this is what the village, the town people left. This is what the town people celebrated for Queen Elizabeth. 1952. That was her reign, was it?
Yep.
To 2022.
Yep.
She must be one of the longest monarchs of this country.
She is.
Absolutely.
She is.
Absolutely fantastic. Enjoying the walk at Marazion.
Yeah.
Who are me handsome? Joining in with the fun with the team. Directly on the left hand side, viewers, you can see the house. Got a beautiful boat ship. It's got a beautiful ship illustration above the door. That's a bit unique, isn't it, Colonel?
It is.
Right next to the one that's red and white, which is also unique.
Yep.
That's yeah, that's a bit interesting. That's nice. Kind of fits with the area, doesn't it?
Yep.
And the smuggling and the pirates.
Oh,
yeah, and that one next door is called Nevada House.
Yep.
So the person that owns the Nevada House, if you see this footage, big up, big up, big up. Directly past the beautiful red and white house, viewers, we come to the old schoolhouse. Now I would imagine that this had something to do with the original school. It's probably been updated ever since. Smuggler's Cottage. So we passed the old schoolhouse there, viewers. Blue Horizon. A lot of nautical names in these villages. It reminds me of our video when we looked around. It reminds me of the video when we looked around Castle Coombe, yeah, and some of the interesting names that they had, like Reader's Cottage and yeah, Ellen's House, where you could get you can actually go and buy your food and leave the money in the box. Also one of our favourites, Colonel.
Yep.
Life-saving. Let's check this one out, viewers. And does it open? Yes, it does. Fantastic. And this one is at Marazion Methodist Church, 24th Street, Marazion, Cornwall. Well done. Well done. Fantastic. We love to see these, Colonel, don't we? We love to see these defibrillators.
Oh, yeah.
So there you see, Marazion
Methodist Church.
As you can see, it has stature. It's very imposing. Beautiful stained glass windows.
Yeah.
I was corrected by local viewers, and they informed me that the town of Marazion, not the village, had its charter
In 1595.
in 1595.
Yes.
So I'm going to say, looking at this town, it's got to be one of the smallest I've ever seen, if not the most tightest.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Yes.
So the lovely lady just turned around and informed us about that. So TJ's been corrected. So that's fantastic. And we're just taking a shot of this beautiful little flower display. It seems that everybody here looks after the place. They really seem to care. We go around the country, viewers, and we don't kind of see this attention to detail, as you can see. Someone's got some flowers outside, and the houses are beautiful. Something very timeless about them. Kind of feels like walking in history, just walking down the street. You can kind of hear the sound of pirates or something.
Yes, exactly.
Maybe a few gentlemen who've had a few rums walking down the street, maybe singing their songs, you know. Absolutely fantastic. Well, there we go, viewers. So that is absolutely a history fact for us right there. The ladies confirmed it, the ladies are local. So we're going to thank the lady for her time, and we're going to continue. Thank you for your time, man. Take care.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Take care, bye-bye. Walking in History YouTube England. Walking in History England YouTube. The beauty of this place, town. The beauty of this town is it's so small in this main part. It's got the shop here. The Copper Spoon. Ooh. Looks like they're very busy. Everybody's eating all the cakes. No pasties, Colonel. All the pasties are gone. Well, it is what it is, I'm afraid. There we go, viewers. We're approaching the church.
Opposite side is the...
Yep, we'll get to that, Colonel. Yep, beautiful church. All Saints Church, Marazion. Right near the Market House Gallery. There's a gallery on the opposite side of the road there. Well, viewers, we couldn't turn around and walk past this. This is absolutely stunning. There's a memorial to the fallen in whatever conflict they was in for Marazion. The people here have done a wonderful job and made it a wonderful tribute. We visit many of these memorials, and this one's just that little bit different again. Just that little bit different again, this one. It's got some lovely little crosses and looks like crowns on top of the fencing. Some beautiful ironwork crosses. The little excuse me, viewers, my throat. To commemorate 100 years since the end of the Great War, and the men of Marazion and St Michael's Mount, who gave their lives for their country, 1918 to 2018. And there's a bit of Cornish on the bottom there, viewers, I believe. If we're not quite sure what that is, comments below, please. We found a little inscription. We're trying to work out what it says, because it's been a little bit weather worn, but basically been beaten. There's a spider in the view there. Hey, subscribe. But while we're at it, viewers, if you enjoy this footage, please share, like, and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. Or as BTC Angel would say, kick that bell. So this inscription says, this gun captured from the Germans was given by the country in recognition of the prompt response of the men of Marazion to the call to arms in the Great War. Spiders bouncing in front of the camera. 1914 to 1918. So they really looked after that, and they done their fallen heroes really proud with that little memorial there, Colonel.
Yep.
As we're walking past the Summer House Gallery,
Yes.
and also the Market House Gallery, so there's obviously a bit of a creative vibe going on here. And screaming that, Colonel, there's ice cream.
Yeah.
Absolutely ice cream. Well, look at these, look at these flavours. The thing is though, Colonel,
Yeah.
with all these places, are they friendly? We've been invited in.
Oh, God.
That's fantastic. Wow, look at all these treats. Oh, come. Look at all these beautiful treats.
Oh.
The lady said to us we could come in. Hello, Mum. You all right? We're walking history YouTube.
Oh, lovely. We've got some tasters up there. Try some.
Oh, tasters. Oh, I don't think that. Colonel, would you like to try some of the taste? We've got beautiful flavours here. We got chocolate orange. Oh, sorry, Colonel. We got chocolate orange. We got raspberry and white chocolate. Baileys. Oh, I think somebody would like one of them. Coffee and cream. Sea salt. Oh, strawberry and cream. Peanut butter. Ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chocolate. Vanilla.
Yeah.
Honeycomb. Rum and raisin.
Uh-huh.
Butterscotch.
Uh-huh. Salted
Salted maple and pecan.
pecan, yeah.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
Lemon
meringue and
Yeah.
double chocolate. We've got all these beautiful ones here, and if you come here, you actually get a little taster. So try before you buy. Fantastic. You can't go wrong, viewers. You really, really can't. If you're down in this beautiful part of England, checking out St Michael's Mount, come and check this place out. Absolutely. It's absolutely lovely. The lady behind the counter is friendly, welcoming. Just how the service used to be, viewers. Just how the service used to be. Absolutely fantastic. And they've got a nice little display there in the window of Halloween. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely wonderful.
Little smoke machine going.
Hello, Mum. Do you have a website where, like, I could come and like buy some of this fudge online or something like that?
Yes,
Is that,
we do. It's
you
all
do?
the W's. rodinsfudge.co.uk.
Can we say that again, please?
All the W's.
Yeah.
rodinsfudge.co.uk.
Oh, fantastic. And you deliver by post?
Yes, we do.
Absolutely. And without saying what your top flavours are, what would you recommend to anybody coming here for the first time?
As in the town or
No, as in the fudge.
Oh, okay. My favourites are peanut butter and coffee and cream.
There you go, viewers. You heard it here first. If you come and visit this shop from the lady that owns it, peanut butter and coffee and cream are the ones that you should try. Thank you very much, Mum. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history, counting our steps.